We are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing words, some of the most mispronounced ones in English in fact, so make sure to stay tuned for those, medical terms included. So how do you say it? Well, there are two different ways of pronouncing it. In British English, it is generally said as migraine, because the word came from Greek and then Latin through French, and in French it is said as migraine. Now, in the US, in American English, it is generally said as migraine, and more people say it that way, included in the UK too, migraine, but it can also be said as migraine, and now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. Do you know how to pronounce those correctly? You will after watching this. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.